In this video we are going to talk about the top 5 milk goat breeds. When it comes to choosing a dairy goat breed for your small farm, you have several options to choose from. When choosing the dairy goat breed for your farm, some important considerations to keep in mind are milk production, the percentage of fat in the milk, and the disposition of the goats. In order to make this potentially challenging choice a little bit easier, we have developed a list of what we believe to be the 5 best dairy goat breeds for small farms. Number 5. Saanen. The temperaments of these breeds tend to be calm, but they require a significant amount of space in order to stretch out and have fun. In terms of milk production, these breeds have a very high capacity, producing between 2 and 3 gallons per day on average. However, the butterfat percentage of their milk is only about 1.5 gallons per day on average. Number 4. Nigerian Dwarf. In spite of the fact that these types are sometimes referred to as dwarf breeds, the amount of milk that they produce is surprisingly substantial in comparison to their small stature. Because their milk contains the largest percentage of butterfat, it is ideally suited for use in the production of cheese and cream. These breeds are most suited to living in metropolitan areas and being around children as a result of their size. Number 3. Alpine. Goats with these characteristics are regarded for their dependability and ease of management. The flavor of their milk can differ from breeder to breeder, but other than that, they are recognized as the most reliable milk producers. The amount of milk that they produce in a day ranges from 1 gallon on average to anywhere between 2 and 3 gallons for particularly productive goat. These goats are of a size that is somewhere in the middle and can easily adjust to many kinds of weather. Number 2. Nubian. The good ones can give milk at a rate of up to 2 gallons per day, while the average ones give milk at a rate of approximately 1 gallon. Because it contains the highest butterfat content, its milk is ideal for making cheese and soap. These goats are far larger in stature than the others, and their bleating is noticeably louder. Because of this, it is somewhat challenging to keep them around in locations where there are near neighbors to one another. However, despite their lively nature, these breeds are some of the best milk producers available. Number 1. LaMancha. These are the sociable goats that have a laid-back attitude and are easy to manage due to the gentle natures they possess. They are also pretty dependable when it comes to the supply of milk. They have the capacity to produce approximately 1 to 2 gallons of milk each day, with a butterfat concentration of approximately 4%. What do you think about our video? Please let us know in the comments area below. If you enjoyed this video and would want to hear from me again, please subscribe and turn on the notification before leaving. Thank you for watching us.